There we are, quick analysis on Netflix. I want to show you just a few ideas. And if we consider Netflix starting from last April, Netflix has been pretty much in an uptrend. As you can see here and here, and now we are kind of here. This is an uptrend, okay? And even here, you can see this has been strong uptrend for 9 months, pretty much. Well, we've gone sideways for like 3 months, but then we start to go up. So, where are we now with Netflix? Well, if we zoom in just a little bit more so we can see better, we are all above and outside of my linear reg channel 50. We just went above, but the channel overall is in a downtrend. So that is the first not strong, that is not a strong sign. Now, if we zoom a little bit deeper, we can see that we have been into this channel and we're making lower highs and higher lows. But so far, we are hitting this level where there is no volume. So my thoughts here are that eventually this is either going to gap up, and at that point it could reach to 384 easily. Let's see where we are at the moment. At the moment, we are basically at an old level of support, and that could potentially be resistance right now, which is in line also with the low volume profile of this area. On the other hand, we have a positive MACD above the zero and cross to the bulls, and an RSI that is going up. Now, there is something that came to mind here, and I want to share it with you. If we consider, okay, let me zoom in here. I'm going to show you something really cool. If we consider the highs and the lows between the volume profile, the MACD, and the RSI, there is a bearish divergence. And I'll show you right here. We have a high, a high, a high, and another high. So let me do this. High, 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 high. All higher highs. But what do we have on the MACD? Highs, lower highs, lower highs, and maybe a lower highs. We'll see how this plays out. What do we have on the other side? High, lower high, lower high, and here it's basically the same level of this one. So the other side is kind of uncertain right now. But this is called bearish divergence because this goes up, this goes down. Now, Netflix next week is going to report earnings. So that could potentially be a trigger factor in favor of the bears. Because, I mean, this stock has been in a tremendous run. If we go on the 4-hour time frame, you can see it clearly over here. Let's just take a look at the MACD and the volume and the price action. We have a series of higher highs, and on the MACD we have a series of lower highs. So that to me is a bearish divergence. Now, if we zoom a little bit actually, if we lower the time frame, let's go on the 15 minutes time frame. Let me delete these arrows. in the 15 minutes time frame, we are on a bullish trend, and the 50 days moving average is above the 20 and the 5, so that's not really a positive sign. The MACD is going down, although the price is going up. This is a bearish divergence. There are bearish divergences everywhere in Netflix. Also, you want to take a look at the volume profile. I'll show you something really cool. This is 327 over here. The other peak is 314. Now, if the stock does not gap up tomorrow, here's what I'm expecting. So if it does not gap up just by using Fibonacci, let me delete this. If today was the high and this was the low and this is the lower high, if it doesn't take this level 332, 333, the Fibonacci 160% is going straight to 314, which is also the bottom line of the peak of the volume. So there is a high chance that maybe tomorrow we could see 314. Let's see on the hourly chart. 314 is right here. That doesn't mean that next week Netflix won't go up even more. It just means that after this tremendous run, Netflix maybe, again, maybe it will dip down over here, okay? And then maybe we'll retest some more, and then next week, boom, we'll go up some more until earnings. Earnings are here, guys. So, we can go up, we can go up from here. Who knows, right? I mean, the stock can literally go down here tomorrow, or maybe tomorrow and Monday, and then chop around, go up some more, maybe get out of this channel over here, right? And then just doing something like this, and we'll go up to the extreme. I'm not saying that it's going to go up to 360, but maybe we'll go to 340, 350, and then earnings the next day, boom, it will crash. I don't know. I mean, those are just few ideas, but what I want you to take home from this video is the bearish divergence in each single time frame, 15 minutes, 4 hours, daily, between the price and the MACD, and partially with the RSI as well. So just pay attention to your trades.